Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So today's lesson is about present perfect. If you want to conjugate a verb in the present perfect, you have to keep in mind this rule. So pay attention, please. The subject plus have or has plus the past participle of the main verb. Let's take an example. I have taught English for 10 years. I have taught English for 10 years. So where is the subject here? The subject is I. Very good. Where is the main verb here? Can you please give me the main verb, please, in the infinitive? Teach. Very good. So teach is the verb in the infinitive. Teach becomes taught in the simple past and also taught in the past participle. But if you want to put the verb teach in the present perfect, you need, as I said, to put have or has plus the past participle. Here it is. I have taught English for 10 years. I have put here for. You will ask me, teacher, please, what does for mean? For means the duration, to precise the duration. Here I have 10 years. I precise and I put exactly how many years I have taught English. So I have taught English for 10 years. So when I say for, I mean the duration. So all the time when I want to sometimes if you want to put the present perfect, we write also for or since, as the example after will show. So she has played football since 10 o'clock. The verb here, the main verb here is play, and the present perfect of the verb play is has played. She has played. She has played what? Played football since 10 o'clock. You will ask me, teacher, why we have put here since and not for? Because since it's for the starting point. It's for the time. Okay? It's for time, to precise the time. Okay, so let's read the examples together. I have taught English for 10 years. She has played football since 10 o'clock. As I said before, since is used for the starting points, for a time, and for a date. Okay? And for is used for a period of time, means the duration, as I said, duration. Or a number or a time word. Okay? For example, I can say for 10 minutes, for 12 minutes, for the whole day. Okay? Since, I mean the starting point. Since 2000, since 2010, since 2018. Okay? Or I can precise the time, for example, since 10 o'clock, since 7 o'clock, since the morning, since the afternoon, since Wednesday, since the Thursday, since December, since September. Okay, so I hope you have understood the lesson. So let's move to the table here. So as you say here, as you said here, as you see here, I'm sorry, as you see here, here we have a table. It's about the past participle of some verbs. I give you just some examples. Okay, another in the other session I will give you more, inshallah. So please pay attention. Go is the infinitive form. The past participle is gone. Okay, go, gone. Do, done. Give, given. Eat, eaten. teach, taught, be, been, have, had. For example, I have been in this hotel for 10 years, or I have been in this hotel for 1 week. Okay, for example, I have taught English for 3 years. I have given this lesson for 6 months. Okay, so it depends on the sentence. Here, how to ask someone. How long have you studied French? How long means the duration. How long, or you can ask someone about the starting point or the starting date, for example. I have studied French since 2000. How long has she lived in London? So the answer is she has lived in London for 3 years. How long have you had this cat? I have had this cat for 2 years. So the last one is practice. So please try to write this lesson in your notebooks, and after you do this, practice also in your notebooks. The question is, answer these questions using since or for. How long have you been in this hotel? How long have you played soccer? How long have you slept? How long have you studied English? So good luck!